Hi everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. Happy you're here, and I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today I'm working on week 42 of Margarete Miller's collage assignment. I need something associated with a specific time of day, a famous person, rubber stamping in blue ink, a triangle, a portion from an envelope this week. I don't think well, maybe I do, but I don't get a lot of mail anymore. All my bills are online and stuff, so. And then the bonus is instructions from something. So, I was thinking about like a specific kind of food, like a breakfast food. I think using breakfast food would be the best bet for something associated with a specific time of day, because like lunch and dinner can be like mixed, you know what I mean? So let's see what I can come up with in my magazine cutouts for that. And I might have some famous people also. I know I have a Ringo. I don't know who else, so let's check that. So Ringo is just going to be way too big, unfortunately. So I did come up with a few other famous people. I'm not sure this might be famous. She might be famous. I'm not sure. I don't remember, but I liked her outfit. And then we have a little Martha Stewart. I've used her before. We've got Oprah and we've got Cher. So she would have to have something to sit on, and so would Martha. But I'm wondering if I'm going to need more space for my food. I didn't pick my food out yet. I got to go do that. I'm not sure yet. She is pretty with her pretty pink flowers. So maybe her, but I feel like these would fit better, one of these. But let me get my breakfast food out first and we can figure that out. Somehow I was not filming a lot. I decided to go with Cher. I decided these two would just look better if I had something cool for them to be sitting on. Turns out I didn't have a whole lot of breakfast stuff, but I found this bowl of cereal, and everything else I had was super tiny. I did find a little piece of this postage thing from something I got in the mail this week, actually. So I'm going to put that like behind there, and I'm going to use my speckled egg blue, what do you call it? Blue ink to put on here, and that'll be my blue ink, something stamped with blue ink. So, okay, so this is an antique or vintage. Let's put some more of these marks on it. There. It's a vintage, a real one from the post office in Gilbertsville, New York. So, I'll have that now. And I was mentioning that I had cut off her arm flat a little bit, and I'm going to move this down a little bit, so we have that. Now the only thing I need is a triangle of something, which I'm not sure about. I don't know. A triangle. Where's my thing? And I'm not going to use the instructions, but I guess, yeah, I do need a triangle. I can't substitute it for instructions. I don't even want to substitute it for instructions. So I need to find a triangle of something, and I want to cut her hair a little bit better over here. There, that looks better. Alright. Poor Cher. All the celebrities that I grew up with are all getting so old and sadly passing away, so that's kind of depressing, but I need to figure out my triangle. Maybe I need to find some vintage paper and just cut a triangle out of it. Actually turned out to be super easy because I found this paper and it's got triangles on it, so I don't have to cut a triangle out. I'm just going to glue this down here, and we are going to be done. That worked out really well, I think. So let's get my glue out and start gluing. I don't need to glue like this part. I'm just going to glue from here over. I hope you're all doing well. We've had a lot of rain lately, which we needed, so I don't want to complain, even though I hate rain. I hate rainy days. I like to be outside so much that it's hard to be stuck in the house. Sometimes I just sit on my porch in the rain. Yesterday my grandson Isaac spent the day with me, and that was a lot of fun. He's being potty trained right now, so we did that for a little bit. And he had some successes and some failures. Oh, this one's got to be next, not Cher. Okay. We had, when my grandson was here, we heard the sirens go off quite a bit. And turns out there was a fire in a building downtown that they're investigating. So I hope, and one person passed away. So that's upsetting and sad. So I hope it wasn't set, you know what I mean? That would be really bad. It's bad enough if it was an accident. Cher's going right here. I gotta cut this off so I know where the bottom is, unfortunately. Do that now. And I can actually, even though I have glue on this, I'm gonna save this. I hear the sirens now, even. I don't know what's going on. But I can save this for something, maybe. It's kind of small, though. And then we got this piece here. And we have Cher. Let's get Cher down. Oh, we have to get this down too first. Alright, let's go ahead and put this down first. I'm going in the wrong order. I was going to put Cher down first. Not good. That would not have been good. So this was going like right here, right? Yeah, we'll just go ahead and put that there. And then we'll have Cher. Oops. I've been watching this show called Curb Appeal, and it keeps saying in loving memory of Bill something, Bill Beckwith, I think it was. And it turns out that he had gotten killed in a motorcycle accident. It's so sad to me when I watch, like, I can't watch Robin Williams anymore because it makes me too sad. So it made me sad, but to watch it a little bit because, you know, the guy's not even alive anymore. It's just sad. Okay, let's make sure we got what we need here. And I got to remember to write the numbers down on them somewhere. I've been forgetting to do that. This was 42. So that means this one was 41. Okay. So we have something associated with a specific time of day, and that's breakfast, a famous person, Cher, rubber stamping with blue ink, triangles, and then the mail. So that's it. Thank thank you so much for watching. And I appreciate you coming by. And I'm going to put this back in my envelope so I know I did it. And we'll get started on the next one. And we'll see you again next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye.